Good morning, boys. Now, in previous class, we are doing pulleys. Okay, that is block and block and tackle system. Okay, again we are doing that, the rest part of the pulley system. Now, as I told, some pulleys are fixed. Some pulleys are fixed. These are the fixed pulleys, and there is a hook. Another is some pulleys are movable. Now, as I told, these are movable pulleys too. Now, number of pulley in fixed block may be equal to number of pulleys in movable block. This is fixed block, this is movable block, or together the system is known as block and tackle system. Now, another case, the number of pulleys in fixed block may be equal to number of pulleys in movable block. But keep in mind, only one pulley will be more in fixed block than the movable block. It may happen. Okay, if numbers are not equal, so therefore you can increase one pulley in fixed block than the movable block. But the two cases are there. One pulley more than the movable and fixed, or in fixed and movable number of pulleys are equal. Is it? But the number of pulleys in movable block is not more than what? The number of pulleys in fixed block. Keep in mind. As I told, ropes must be the rope and string, whatever it is passing, that you must draw what? By a straight line. Don't make it in this way, because it is in tension, no? Is going, just see, all pulleys will work. It is connected here. Now load is here. So this is effort. Okay, so therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strands of rope is lifting the load, and the tension on each strand, each segment of the rope will be same. As I told, that is, if single rope is used and it is, there are so many strands are there, okay, so then what happens? Tension will be same. Here tension will be T. Okay, for this case, what we have done, that is MA is equal to 5, we have done, and VR is also equal to 5. VR is also equal to 5. We have done already because L is equal to 5T, okay, and E equal to T. The mechanical advantage is L by E, so that 5T by T is equal to 5, mechanical advantage for ideal case. And if we'll pull what? 5 meter of rope by using effort, so then load will be lifted only 1 meter. Okay, so therefore dE by dL So DE is equal to now how much? 5 dl. So velocity ratio is equal to effort displacement by load displacement. That is equal to 5 dl by dl. So that is equal to 5. And also I told that is mechanical advantage. In actual practice it will be less than what? 5. Because the low for what happened ideal case we are considering the what? Movable pulleys are weightless, ropes are weightless, these all we are considering, then it is coming 5. But in actual practice the pulleys, movable pulleys and frictional part and rope all are having what? They are producing what? Resistance, that is weight of movable pulley, weight of rope, friction of movable part of the pulley system. Okay, all will be there. So these all are added with the load. Now total load is actual load plus the load due to the machine. Yes, so therefore load will be more than now what? Now load will be more than the actual load. Okay, this is the load we are lifting. Okay, so then what happen? It will be less than 5. But velocity ratio remains same. So now number of pulleys is equal to velocity ratio in block and tackle system. Number of pulleys equal to velocity ratio. For this purpose it is 5. If number of pulleys is equal to what? N. Equal to N. Then what happens? Then there will be n number of pulleys. Number of fixed pulley plus number of movable pulley will be equal to n. So then what happens? Then L is equal to what? N into T. Effort is equal to only T. So therefore mechanical advantage for ideal case, mechanical advantage L by E, that is equal to Nt by T, that is equal to N. But in actual practice it will be less than N. Velocity ratio again, it will be number of pulleys. So therefore VR is equal to N. So efficiency is equal to MA by VR. MA by VR. That is equal to N by N. That is equal to 1, or if you write in percent, so 100%. But in actual practice, again I am telling you, efficiency is always less than 1. Now that also we are doing. Let the weight of movable pulleys, rope and other resistance offered by the resistive force offered by the pulley is, we are taking this one W as weight. Yes. So then what happened? A number of pulleys N. Number of pulleys N. So then effort is equal to T. Single tension. Effort equal to T. And load will be load plus, this is actual load we are lifting, plus resistance or resistive force due to the pulley system, weight of movable pulleys, rope, etc., that is W, is equal to what? N into T. Because N number of pulleys, so N strands will lift the load. Yes. Now mechanical advantage. So therefore L is equal to Nt minus what? W. Mechanical advantage is equal to L by E. That is equal to Nt minus W by T. Nt minus W by T. That will come N minus W by T. For actual practice, MA is N. For what happened? For ideal pulley system, MA equal to N. Okay. Now for actual case, it is coming less than N. W by T. So therefore it is less than N. That is MA is less than what? N. Less than N. Again, velocity ratio here it will be what? The number of pulleys, that is VR is equal to N. It will not change. So then efficiency equal to eta is equal to MA mechanical advantage by VR is equal to mechanical advantage is N minus W by T divided by N. So this one will come how much? 1 minus what happened? Omega by N T. Sorry, W by N T. That means what happened? The efficiency is less than 1. 1 minus this one, obviously less than 1. That is what happened? In actual practice, efficiency is less than 100%, less than 1. Now, if we want to get what happened, the greater efficiency, so then we'll make what happened? Less weight of movable pulleys, strings and all, and we'll put proper lubricant in the bearings of the pulleys. Okay. So that now next is combination of pulleys. This is another one. Combination of pulleys. Everything same way it is given in your book, so therefore no problem. Just you have to understand, because in classroom teaching is different and online and recording classes are different. There is some lack. Now, combination of pulleys means now here there are so many numbers of pulleys and one pulley is fixed to change the direction of effort in convenient direction, and other pulleys are what? They are movable. And here the different ropes are used for different pulleys. Just we'll see. This is one pulley. This is another pulley. Here we'll hang the load. There is